Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So good morning, all. So in this occasion, in this time, I would like to present it in front of you guys one of the most, I guess, one of the unique or popular product in this entire world, which is actually an app. Not really a product, but it's actually an app, which is called Scratch. So yeah, of course, we'll start this presentation with the table of contents, shall we? So first, the first agenda that we're gonna do is getting to know the Scratch. So in here, you get some information about the product, about the app, and then at the next section, we'll explain about the good features of this app, and then the third section, we're gonna explain the weaknesses. What else? And then the next session is I'm gonna tell my experience at it, and then the next one, do I recommend? I'll tell my verdicts on it, and the last one is Q&A and thanks. Next, getting to know about Scratch. So the brand and the model is Scratch, the brand, and then the type of product, it is an app or it is also a web. So yeah, it's an app. So yeah, in this application, in this app, you can access Scratch by an app like this, or even can do this instead. Hold up. Let's search Scratch. Yes. Like this. So you can access the Scratch app by on a browser, which is of course by a web, or can access it through an app like this. So this is the offline Scratch one, okay? Okay, let's get back to the and then purpose. So the purpose of this app, its purpose is to teach kids or something or someone the basics of programming in a visual and fun way. And a basic description: Scratch is a visual programming language and a website that created by a company named MIT. So yeah, next, the good stuff. So yeah, just like I said before, in this section, we're gonna explain the good features of this app. So the first good features of Scratch is easy to learn with drag and drop blocks. So as you can see in this app, all you need to do in this app, you don't need to type codes like Python or JavaScript or whatever it is. All you need to do is just drag and drop the blocks. Example like this. Let's go to the motion. Just do this: drag and drop, drag and drop. Again, drag and drop. Just all you need to do is just like this. Simple as that. Now the next feature is learn fast by seeing results instantly. So yeah, let's go to the Scratch app again. So in this app, all you need, while coding, you can seal the result of the project instantly like this. So hold on, let's go to the events and then this. So all you need to do is just do this. Just after coding, you'll instantly go to the result like this. All you need to do is just click this green flag icon. Like this, look, boop. You guys could see the result instantly. Look at it. So you don't need to go to any sections of the app. No, all you need to do is just go to the other side and then test the result. That's all you need to do. Okay, next, let's go back to the next feature. Now the final one is blocks fit together like puzzles, so no errors. Yep, just like I said before, all you need to do is just drag and drop, and to make the code, all you need to do is just to put them together like into a one piece like this. Look, let me make it another example like this. Look, boop. Look at it. Look, amazing, right? So all you need to do is just put the blocks together just like a puzzle. So there's no errors to it. Now next, let's explain about the weaknesses, the not good stuff. So the first weaknesses of this app is Scratch can do advanced things. So let me explain about this weakness. So as you can see in this Scratch app, What it means is it cannot do advanced thing. It means that cannot like do some what's the name? Cannot add like some what's the name? Oh yeah, right. In this app, you cannot add like some the things it called. Let's go to costumes. You cannot like type codes. And yeah, next. You don't type, and then the next weaknesses of this app is you don't type real code. So just like I said before, in this app we didn't code. We didn't really actually code, but all we just need to do is just to drag and drop some blocks like this. So we cannot type real code like this, like types of codes on your keyboard. No. All we just need to do is just drag and drop the blocks only like this. Cannot really type in this app. And the third weaknesses is Scratch projects sometimes take a bit long to load. So yeah, sometimes. Okay, so this is one of my experience of this on this app. So when the first time I make a project, on my first project on the first semester on this Scratch app, when I try to download the file of the game, sometimes with a good connection, with a good Wi-Fi connection, it does still sometimes a bit long to load. So yeah, that's one of the weaknesses of this app. Next, my experience. So how long have I used it? Maybe I've used Scratch only like for maybe like 3 months, because we only learn in the school we only learn Scratch only like for one semester, because yeah, only 3 months. And then they didn't meet my expectations. No, because before I used Scratch, I actually didn't know anything else about this app. What it's for, whatever it is. And next, what was my favorite aspect? So one of my favorite aspect of this app is you can add some extensions like this, like a microbit, and then Lego projects and Lego Boost, and then this one, Mickey. So yeah, like when you don't understand, like example microbit, okay. So when you don't understand the other app who also uses block codes and drag and drop the block codes, but the block codes are different than the Scratch. All you need to do is just add some extensions on it. When you already understand Scratch and then understand the other block codes app, all you just need to do is just add some extensions on Scratch. If you only understand Scratch, so this is one of my favorite aspect of Scratch. You can add some extensions on it. Okay. So yeah. Next, did I encounter any problems? Yes, just like the third weaknesses on the last section. It take a bit long to load. So yeah, that is one of the problem that I encountered on the first semester. Now, the verdict, which is the conclusion. My impression, good. I love it. I love it because it teaches me the basic of coding, and I already understand it fastly. And then um, my ratings on it, maybe like 7 out of 10. I don't know why. And do I recommend it? Yes. If you want to understand the how to code, if you want how to be a programmer, all you just need to do to start with Scratch. And what is it for? For children who want to understand the basic of coding. Next Q&A time. Does anyone of you have some questions?
Me,
What Gisa?
why you choose Scratch for pet games?
Because I don't understand like those type codes, like those coding language like JavaScript, Python. So I would like to start my journey to be a programmer with Scratch. Okay, who else? No? Okay. So thank you very much for your attention. I'm sorry. I do apologize if I have some mistake from my explanations. And please forgive us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.